You can work 10 hours a day, stay busy every second, come home exhausted, and still have $200 left in your account at the end of the month. Meanwhile, someone else works fewer hours, looks suspiciously relaxed, and somehow their money keeps growing. That feels illegal, but it's not. It's just how money actually works. Because hard work and making money are related, but not in the way people think. Hard work helps you earn, but it doesn't decide how much you earn. That part depends on something way less exciting, value. Here, where it gets uncomfortable. You can work extremely hard at something that doesn't pay well, and you'll stay stuck. Not because you're lazy, but because the market simply doesn't care how tired you are. Effort feels important to you. Value is what matters to everyone else. That's why two people can put in the same hours and get completely different results. One is doing work that's easy to replace. The other is doing work that's harder to replace. And money follows that difference, not the effort. Then there's the second problem. Even if you do earn more, hard work alone doesn't help you keep it. Because if all your income depends on you working constantly, the moment you stop, the money stops too. It's like running on a treadmill that charges you rent. You can't slow down, you can't pause, and you definitely can't get ahead. That's why some people stay stuck no matter how hardworking they are. They're trading time for money, but time is limited. So their income is automatically limited too. Now compare that to someone who builds systems. Maybe they invest, maybe they build something once and get paid multiple times, maybe they develop a skill that pays more per hour. They're still working, but their work has leverage. And leverage is where things start to change. Because now 1 hour of effort doesn't equal 1 hour of income. It can equal 10 or 100 over time. That's when money starts behaving differently. It stops being something you chase daily and starts becoming something that grows in the background. And here's the part most people don't like. Working harder feels productive, but thinking about how to earn differently feels uncertain. So people stick to what feels safe, even if it keeps them stuck. They stay busy, but not necessarily better off. So if you've been working hard and wondering why nothing's changing, it's not because hard work is useless. It's because hard work without direction just makes you tired. Money doesn't reward effort alone. It rewards useful effort, applied in the right place, with some kind of leverage behind it. And if your entire plan is just to work more hours, you're not building wealth. You're just building a more exhausting version of the same problem.